Ashley, and today we have Miss Cassandra Rhodes with us. Miss Cassandra is a native of Chicago but relocated here to Atlanta in 2016. She is a wife, a mother of one, and a grandmother to 2 grandchildren. She is also the proud owner of the Gumbo Gourmet, and today we're going to be discussing how a business idea can translate to a generational wealth planning strategy for you and your family. Now let's get into this. Okay, Miss Cassandra, what steps would you say that you're taking to ensure that your restaurant and your love for cooking becomes part of your family's legacy?
Well, as you know, as restaurants go, the industry itself is just unstable. I realize I'm not going to sell gumbo and get rich 1 cup at a time, As long as the restaurant is here, I'm alive, I'm able to run the restaurant, I'm able to do what I need to do with the restaurant. While it'll be great for other people to come along, I am very clear that it's possible that restaurant itself may or may not survive beyond my days, right? However, I have created this product called the Gumbo Starter Rhodes, right? And what I envision is that this would become a full kit that would go into the store. So one of my goals for 2025 is product development of this Gumbo Starter Rhodes, which is a versatile way that we take the guesswork out of how to make roux, right? So you can make it yourself. And one of the North Stars for me in my business is to fully systemize everything. And it starts really with this Gumbo Starter Rhodes. And hopefully I can add to it as time goes on, the dehydrated vegetables, whatever, the seasonings to make a full kit. Back in the day they had soup starter, right? And so once I can mechanize and systemize the production of this and product development of Gumbo Starter Rhodes, I believe this will be better equipped to be a legacy for my family than the restaurant itself, And so as I continue to build this out and make it a viable product for national distribution and retail distribution, I expect for it to become the corporation that lands us in that estate position.
Absolutely, I like that. Thank you for sharing that with us.
You're welcome.
Subscribe to my channel to learn more about probate real estate, financial literacy, and generational wealth planning.